White sand beaches, crystal blue waters and millions of fishes.
And we saw 7 to 10 million sardines.
It's not Maldives or Great Barrier Reef. We are in Moalboal, Philippines. We are Trisha and Nikhil, and our journey around the world has brought us to this hidden gem of Philippines. It's our first day here and we cannot wait to jump into the water. But before we get into this video, we want to thank everybody who's been a part of this journey so far. And if you're new to this channel, then hit that subscribe button to travel the world with us.
Good morning.
Looking for my name?
Yes.
There where the blue umbrella is.
Alright. So peaceful, huh?
I like such places. If you're being honest, it's almost after so many days that we have woken up at 6 a.m. We woke up at 6 a.m. today and it's just so peaceful. We have to start doing this more often. This place in itself, it's very village kind. If I have to describe a village in my head, I will like say it is like this
Picture
place.
perfect.
A picture perfect village, yeah. There are roosters, there's sea, there's
Friendly
good
people.
food, friendly people, everybody says hi. Yeah, you know what I mean. I've gotten Shakshuka. Super excited, I haven't tried it.
I've got a mushroom creamy omelet.
This looks so appetizing, but mine looks better.
Yes, it does.
Let's dig in.
Digging in. The food was so good and the entire experience over here was really nice. It's really nice and windy right now.
And we got like private.
Private area all to ourselves.
Yeah.
So yeah, this was really nice. Now let's see what we do. I really want to go swimming, but I don't want to go directly after eating. So I guess we're gonna explore a little. We want to find out some local markets and stuff so that we can start buying some fruits and something so that we can prepare our own food. It's a little costly over here.
This water is as blue and maybe a tad bit more blue than the one that we saw in Maldives.
It's as clean and as blue, yes. Plus we are expecting to see a lot more fishes this time.
Sardines!
Yes. Check this out. We've got some wildlife
What is
trying to enter.
That's so scary.
Is it?
It has hair on it.
I can see some white teeth in front.
Ew. That's so scary. It's a centipede, right?
I don't know. It looks like one. I don't know what species or what kind.
Look at how it's walking, like waving.
It's really cool, but
How do we remove it?
yeah, well, skillfully.
Nikki!
See ya.
All done.
You threw a friend.
Pintu.
Fintu.
Pintu went flying.
We're off to snorkeling. We're super excited. I hope we see 1 million sardines.
One more.
I hope we see multi-millionaire sardines. Hello. There are so many schools over here, diving schools over here. It was so difficult to find which was PADI certified, which was not, because some are affiliated with PADI schools and that's how they get the activity done. And yeah, it's just very difficult to like understand and then remember all the names. Then we went back home. We texted everybody the names that were available on the PADI website, and that's how we selected a school. We're just walking towards that right now. The point is, it took me a lot of research to find a school, and I got to know the one that we are going to. That's the only one that is just charging us 1,000 pesos. Otherwise, everybody is charging more. So we are going with them, and also it's a 5-star school. So
5-star dive center.
5-star dive center. Nikhil is trying fins for snorkeling. Since we have mask, but we don't have fins.
It's tight from there? Then that's okay. Aage it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Alright. Yeah. So we've got our fins and we've got our scuba session all sorted. We'll be going at 1 p.m. but we have a lot of time till then, so we are going snorkeling before that. That was such a fun experience. We saw so many sardines, like thousands and
Millions of them.
yeah, but we did not count, but there were so many. And we were trying to learn how to free dive by ourselves, so we did few of those.
But we failed miserably.
But it was really fun.
It was a little better, but I failed miserably, so I don't suggest anybody trying to learn themselves.
But it was fun.
It was really fun.
Let's go.
Now we are even more excited for scuba diving. This will be our first dive after open water. We did not get to do any in between. Nikhil is trying his BCD. BCD.
Huh. I heard JCB. Like, why am I trying a truck? No need to hurry.
Let's go.
All right. Are you good, bro? So many sardines.
We had so much fun, and we saw a starfish also,
And so
many things, right?
Yeah, and for the first dive after our learning, like after 4 months, 5 months, this was a really good experience. We have a lot more things to master, a lot more things to practice, but it felt really nice to do it by ourselves.
It was so much fun. But Michael here was really a lot of help. Say hi to Michael. We caught him off guard.
He's our dive master. He was our buddy, and yeah,
We had so much fun.
I'm so glad we came today. It was really good visibility. We were first worried that it may not be. When we went snorkeling, it was just okay visibility.
Okay, yeah.
But when we went down there, it was really nice.
And we saw 7 to 10 million sardines.
That's why she went up.
Oh, that's so mean.
She was counting.
Yeah, I was counting all of them. There were 10 million sardines.
Ah, you just said 7 to 5.
7 to 10, I said.
Oh, 7 to 10, sorry.
Yeah, 7 to 10.
Water in my ears. Can't hear.
Yeah, so that was so much fun. But I'm so hungry now.
I'm super tired.
I'm hungry.
We went swimming twice, first snorkeling, then diving. Whew. Time to eat.
So after diving, we've come back and we've changed and we feel so good. And also because I got this amazing necklace right after we did our dive. We sat at a place to have coconut water, and the people there were so nice that, you know, I got this from them. It is such a cute thing. I really love it. I also got an anklet, by the way. Yeah, sorry. But I also got this. I'm so happy about my purchase. But apart from that, this day had a lot of highlights of its own, and I have been loving this day until right now. Anyhow, it's time for lunch, so let's get going because we are hungry.
Let's vlog. Hello. Hi, welcome to Sama.
Thank you.
Alright, we are here. We're gonna buy some fruits. We got some really nice mangoes and a really sweet lady. Right? And this is the first fruit shop that we saw, and we were like, yes, here.
We are gonna get this.
We've got many fruits, and she's selling one of the mangoes for us so that we can have that right now.
And she's saying that we are in for a treat.
Yes, that's one of the famous mangoes of Philippines.
That's my first Filipino mango. It's so crunchy. Wow.
Nice.
So good.
So for today's lunch, we chose this very simple place called Mila Special Food Menu. We've ordered 2 sets of rice. This is fried rice and that's garlic rice. And we've ordered chicken abodo. We tried that yesterday. It was really nice. So we're trying that here as well. And have very high hopes for that.
We're very hungry.
Super.
But we have to, and we couldn't wait for the
Chicken abodo.
for the chicken to come because we just started having rice, plain fried rice. It's not plain, I'm just kidding, but wanted to have it with chicken part.
And it's really delicious.
So good.
That was so amazing. We had amazing food. We totally forgot to shoot chicken abodo because it came really late, and then we just started having it, and now we've finished all the food that was there. Yep, but we got ice creams as dessert, so really happy. We wanted to try this dessert. It's called Halo Halo, but we just are super full right now, so we decided to keep that for another day maybe. It's so nice today, nice and windy. I love it here. In just a couple of hours more, the entire street, all the restaurants will be playing different music, but somehow it will be pretty chill vibe, right?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. High five. Thank you.
You're welcome. We got buy one get one free cocktail vouchers.
Maybe if we feel like partying.
Perhaps. But most probably not, because I'm super tired from the dive. And we have some things planned for tomorrow as well. And we have a lot of work today. So I don't think so.
And we are off to snorkeling.
To book for tomorrow.
No, we're going today, I think.
Scuba diving.
Scuba diving.
Early morning tomorrow, no?
No, right now.
You want to go right now?
Yes.
Alright. That's a change of plan for me. I thought we were going tomorrow morning.
No, we're going right now.
That's nice. Alright, let's go.
Yes.
Yes. I hope
And
we
we'll
do.
try to free dive also.
Will we?
I don't know. Will we?
I don't know how to, so I'll try.
But we'll try.
Good content. Excuse me.